Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Brex for sales spend tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Brex website in your preferred browser. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. Fill out the registration form with your personal and business information. Make sure to provide a valid email address and create a secure password. Once you've completed the form, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Brex. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. After confirming your email, you will be redirected to the Brex dashboard. Log in using your email and password. To set up your sales spend tracking, navigate to the Account Settings section. Here, locate the Spending Controls option. Enable the sales spend tracking feature for your account. Next, link your business bank account to Brex for seamless tracking. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary bank account information. Once your account is linked, customize your spending categories to fit your sales needs. This will help you track expenses more effectively. Finally, review all settings to ensure everything is configured to your preferences. You're now ready to start tracking your sales expenses with Brex. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.